The January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol has House Democrats demanding criminal charges against the former president, including inciting an insurrection. The Justice Department must decide. In Georgia, a state probe on whether then-President Trump tried to overturn the 2020 vote. Mar-a-Lago and the special counsel probe into classified documents found there. The former president faces legal battles on many fronts. I review some of those biggest battles. I looked for perspective today, legally and from political scholars, and the theme is one I hear often these days, worried about a polarized country.
Donald Trump, the 45th president of the United States, remains one of the most polarizing figures in modern history. But beyond the political rallies and media headlines lies a web of legal challenges that could shape his legacy and future. Today, we dive deep into the ongoing legal battles facing Donald Trump, unraveling the charges, the stakes, and what this means for America. It all began during his presidency. Allegations of misconduct, business irregularities, and questionable dealings emerged. But it wasn't until after he left the White House that the floodgates truly opened. Today, Trump faces multiple legal cases spanning federal, state, and civil courts. Let's break them down one by one. In June 2023, Trump was indicted for mishandling classified documents after leaving the White House. The FBI seized boxes of sensitive materials from his Mar-a-Lago estate, alleging improper storage and attempts to obstruct justice. Prosecutors argue this poses a national security risk, while Trump's defense claims it's a politically motivated attack. If convicted, Trump could face serious legal consequences, including prison time. The events following the 2020 election remain a dark chapter in U.S. history. Trump faces charges for allegedly attempting to overturn the election results. This includes accusations of pressuring Georgia officials to find votes and inciting the January 6th Capitol riots. A federal grand jury indicted Trump on conspiracy and obstruction charges. If convicted, it's not just Trump's political future at stake, it's a test of democracy. In New York, Trump faces allegations of falsifying business records to conceal hush money payments made during the 2016 election. Prosecutors argue these payments were intended to silence allegations of extramarital affairs, influencing the election's outcome. While Trump dismisses these charges as a witch hunt, legal experts believe this case could set a precedent for holding powerful figures accountable. New York Attorney General Letitia James filed a civil lawsuit against Trump and his family business, alleging decades of financial fraud. The lawsuit claims Trump inflated his net worth to secure loans and underreported values to avoid taxes. If the court rules against him, Trump could face significant financial penalties, and his business empire might crumble. As these cases unfold, Trump's political aspirations remain intact. He's announced his candidacy for the 2024 presidential election, framing these legal battles as attacks by his opponents. Supporters rally behind him, while critics argue these cases highlight the need for accountability. The question remains, can Trump navigate these legal storms and still secure a political comeback? Donald Trump's legal battles are far from over. Each case carries significant consequences, not just for Trump, but for the nation. As the trials progress, America watches closely, waiting for answers and justice. What do you think about Trump's ongoing legal challenges? Are they justified, or are they politically motivated? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Case Files Revealed. Subscribe for more true crime stories and legal deep dives.